Sunday, May 14th, 4:29 p.m. New York time. Commodities. Yep, going to discuss commodities. It's been a while. All the categories: energy, metal, agricultural, and the main commodities in each of those categories. So top off the bat, we're looking at crude oil futures. Got a 1-year chart, and each candle's a week. Look at that. Last week closed as an inside candle, small trading range. The high of the year, $83.53. I say again, the high of the year, $83.53. The low of the year, $63.64. The current trend is down, lower highs. Look at this demand zone here. Prior buyers multiple times. Up here, supply zone multiple times, sellers. I am in a bullish position. I'm using advanced option strategy. So if this continues trending down, it doesn't destroy my trade. Yep, it just requires me to add some more margin possibly. Again, I have risk management in control. So that being said, I am bullish bias crude oil. Yep. Doing retracement, and we may come into that reversal before we even come here. Plus, I'll be considering to add to my position if I see it comes down on further weakness. Natural gas, also I've been bullish bias. I've been buying it on the bullish side using options, selling naked puts. Look at this. Here's the high for the year. Massive consolidation. I'm not looking for it to run up. That's why I'm not buying the stock, nor I'm buying the futures contract. I am selling short puts. Give me credit income. Yep. So look at that inside candle for the week. Just like we had for crude oil, simply means the market was indecision. Doesn't know if it wants to go above or below the prior week. That's very interesting. Such a small trading range. Yeah. Again, both of them are very close to the lows of the year. Go to the next category. Let's look at metals. Again, looking at a 3-year chart. Gold, I am in a bullish position. Look at that. Also closed inside candle for the week, sitting above this demand zone. Here's the high of the year too. So the momentum has been up. Opportunities to buy into the bullish positions on these retracements. This was a nice one. Retracement, consolidation with that green candle engulfing, bullish engulfing candle pattern on the bottom of a trend. Consolidation, nice impulse move up. Nice retracement on this red candle of that green candle. Opportunity been buying there because some buyers either added to the position or stepped in there when they saw that retracement. I mention that often on midpoints of strong bodies. Look at that. That's a solid body, extremely bullish there. Yeah. Silver, midpoint right here. Let's zoom out a little bit more. You can see how that took that out. Went up there, tested it. Zoom in some more. It hesitated here not to go up there. So consolidation, did a retracement. Big round number, $20. Big round number. Nice. Reversal. Solid body. Tested it. And when it broke above it, then it did a higher up, taking out that swing point right there, the yellow horizontal line. So let's remove that. It did close below it a few times, but finally up in this midpoint. Let's get rid of that one too. So now at $25, had a lot of price activity around there. Made a high of the year into that swing point. Again, swing points, you look for trade signals, and that was a trade signal reversal. Big impulse move down. Almost a engulfing candle, but still big move down. So look for the opportunities if you're bullish. Palladium, there's a high of the year. Massive consolidation occurring over here. Even when that red candle occurred here, it took out that low of that impulse move up. And look at that. Buyer came and defended it. Big wick on the bottom. Nice. And copper. New low for the year. So the momentum has been down. But it doesn't look like it's been a panic selling though. A lot of consolidation over here too. It's the box in there. So that was a swing low coming into this area. That's where they might be holding, because again, key demand zone down here. We'll see how it goes. Let me set an alert. Alert on the low. See if it goes back down there. So nope, we'll leave it right at it. Yep. So if it goes down there, I'm going to get alert. And my message will say, retesting year low. Find out when's this going to occur. Yeah, may not occur anytime soon, but at least I have a trade plan. Yeah. And a message going to alert me ahead of time. Push notification. Okay, let's go look at the food commodities, livestock and grains. Corn at near the lows of the year. So that green candle is the low of the year. Tight consolidation. Bunch of well, actually draw it. See what's occurring here. Buyers stepping in there. If it holds that, see what happens come this week. Maybe I'll do a bull put spread down here. If it holds that. Look at that, hasn't even taken out that low. Let's extend it up, leave that there. So there's a high for the year. Interesting. See how that goes. So again, it's possible trade idea there on corn. Wheat, also near the lows of the year. A lot of this has to do with a strong dollar. Yep, I should be looking at that one too, possible put spread. And soybeans, new low for the year. That's not good. Nope, not if you want to be bullish. It needs to prove itself. It hasn't. It's proven itself to be bearish. See how that goes. Yep. Live cattle. Big consolidation up here. This looks questionable. Might be distribution occurring here. I don't like that. That looks suspicious. May see a lower price still come in. Be hesitant. Let's box that in. So see if this holds the swing low. If it gets retested on weakness, might be opportunity to trade bullish. But a break below could go really deep. Yeah, see how that goes. Feeder cattle, still up strong. Amazing. And lean hog. Yep, as soon as it made that new high for the year, it started to sell off. So it has this huge gap there. A little insight, wisdom. Commodities, yeah, they're all priced in US dollar. But when commodities get higher, price get higher. I'm talking about the commodities for agricultural, not necessarily commodities for energy or metals. The industry that makes the seeds and the other materials that go along with the seeds, if you look at their track record, they often raise their prices when they see the agricultural commodity prices go higher. And huge embedded costs in these commodities, agricultural, as well as seeds, are the cost of energy to produce them, manufacture them. That's crude oil. So again, correlation is huge with the price of crude oil. Start seeing a spike in crude oil, these may go higher. Understand? I gave you a trade idea at the beginning. Crude oil. Be watching this. So again, this is near the lows of the year, and those commodities are near the lows of the year. Just some things to be situation awareness for trade ideas. Again, other mention is some of these have stock ETFs, and some of the stock ETFs have options. But if you don't like the pricing of the options on the stock ETFs, because some of them are limited, you could trade options on these futures, which is good at an extra level, because when the cash market closes for the stock ETFs, you can still trade these commodity options overnight, extended hours. Very nice. Shameful, the exchange, not just the broker, more the exchanges have these huge prices to trade them that pass through the broker to you, the retailer. Yeah. That's the one big red flag, one of the big red flags I don't like, but deal with it.